Safety Seymour, CO Hero.
Safety Seymour at your service. I'm on a mission to recruit CO safety assistants to help on my quest to rid homes of a very dangerous threat. The threat of CO. That's carbon monoxide.
Sign me up.
Great! And you're not alone. Did you know there are many CO safety assistants already here on Earth?
Funny, I haven't seen any caped crusaders in my neighbourhood.
Not all heroes wear capes. There's lots of children spreading the safety messages, but also gas engineers. They are experts who visit your house when there's a problem and make sure that your appliances are working correctly, ensuring you stay safe.
Cool. So, what do they do when they visit?
Let's find out. Gas engineers know how to check for all kinds of gases. Sometimes there can be leaks in the normal gas supply to your home that can result in a very nasty smell.
Ew.
Like my brother's football socks that he left under his bed.
No, thankfully not that kind of smell. Gas has a very unusual smell. However, carbon monoxide, on the other hand, has no smell at all.
None.
And it's invisible, so you can't see it either. However, this family have a carbon monoxide alarm. Listen. The alarm's detected something, so the engineer will use his expertise to find out more.
He's got a lot of gadgets.
Gas engineers use gas analyzers, which take tiny samples of the air and determine which gases are present.
But if this family already have a carbon monoxide alarm, isn't that just the same thing?
Not exactly. Gas analyzers are much more sensitive. They can detect 1 part of carbon monoxide per 1 million parts of air, and they can also work out the different amounts of each gas.
That's pretty clever.
Taking readings in different parts of the house will help the engineers to hunt down the source of a gas leak. They'll also be looking for telltale signs too. Old appliances and sooty deposits on the walls can be a gassy giveaway.
So where could carbon monoxide be coming from?
Perhaps the oven in the kitchen. Or a blocked chimney in the living room. And any appliance where there's an orange flame.
We'll be giving off carbon monoxide?
That's right! The easiest way to check if there's any carbon monoxide around is to get a carbon monoxide alarm. That way, you can help your families to stay safe. Keep yourself safe and your family out of harm. Get yourself a carbon monoxide alarm. Right, got to go. As I can't always be here to help, it's a good idea to ask your parents to get a carbon monoxide alarm. Then you can be a CO safety assistant too.
Thanks, Seymour. Catch you later.
Safety Seymour, CO Hero, with support from Cadent and Northern Gas Networks. Find out more at funkidslive.com/Seymour. If you detect carbon monoxide in your home, call the free National Gas Emergency number on 0800 111 999.